you don't already know that this is the thing called Rubik's Cube, in the last video we solved the white edge pieces and made this cross. Now this second step, that was the first step. If you don't already know, the link is in the description, go and find out the video. The next step is white corner. Now white corner is like 0.001% harder than the white cross. As you can see, take a picture quickly. I'm not that kind of guy that always watch my video. This is the formula of white corner. As you can see, 4 words each, 8, and just don't look at down. No, you only need to see about the corner. Yes, there are total 7 steps, and you this thing that makes you understand and solve. Now stop talking, let's get into the video. Now what are we solving? Corner. So now get in the last. This is first layer, this is second layer, this is the third layer. Because we were solving the corner piece, just don't look anywhere, just look here. In the third layer, start doing this and find the white piece. There are some like foundation that could happen. For example, in my spot, whites are here and here. Do not be that worried. Just apply this formula: R down, D left, and R up. Any kind of this, any piece, all okay. Let's see. R down, D that one, Villa. Now if you find a white piece over here, you have to do these things. Then forget the white piece and see over here what is here. As you can see, in my cube there is orange. Match this orange with orange, because at the moment it's with green. Start spinning. Oh, here we go. Orange, orange, white. Now if you don't already remember, there are 2 things that could happen with you. As you can see all the way right over here, we have to see that this piece is on the left or this piece is on the right. At my cube it is on left. We are going to do this formula, left. Memorize. Now D, this is the D. If you already not watched my previous video, go and watch that. D on the left, F on the left, D back, F back. That is how it's easy. Orange, orange, blue, blue, white, white. Just apply this formula one more time. For example, now what if your white corner piece is on down? Now if you already don't know, this is the only single moment when you're going to have this formula, this condition. On the other cube is not going to happen. Just D down, this back, this back. See, it only takes one formula, 3 words. Oh my god, it's so easy. Now this is white. What is next to white? Orange. Match this orange with orange. Orange, orange. Now it's on the right side, so what is the formula for right? R on the right, F on the right, D back, F back. Okay. D on the right, F on the right, D back, F back. Like that is how it's easy. That's fine. This is over here, D down, F on the left, back. This is white. What is next to white? Green. Match. Oh, it's already matched. It's on the right. See? Like, don't need to worry. Okay, here we have another white corner, third layer. What is next to this? Blue. Match this blue with blue. Matched. Now, it's on the left. What was the formula for left? Memorize. Okay. Well done. There's only total 3 layers and you already have solved the first layer. This is how it's easy.